What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy High Self Trace, and I'm back with another video, man. Back with another video. Right now it's currently 6:36 a.m. We woke up around 6, really a little earlier than that, but had to get like my morning routine and my little meditation, just a little regular shit, just to calm myself, calm my nerves, before we go into war. But yeah, though. So it's 6:37 right now. Kind of peeped at the charts a little bit. I took a little peep at the charts, but I didn't give like a full top down or whatnot. So that's what we finna do right after this little intro. Um, just looking to get into a nice winning setup, a nice high probability setup, whether it's supply and demand. Um, yeah, I really want to get into like a supply or demand setup today. If a liquidity grab present itself, who knows, may hop into that. Just want to make sure we manage this trade the right way. Make sure we're not emotional in this trade. And just be confident in our technical analysis and confident in our trading skills. To pull out a win today. Um, so yeah, that's really all I got to say for real, for real. And I do got to come here and ask y'all: have y'all been working on yourselves, man? Have y'all been doing the due diligence of becoming your greatest self? That was not a rhetorical question. Like, I need you to ask yourself that, have you been doing what it takes to get back to your higher self? And that's being the best individual you can be while you here on earth. Only you know the answers to that. So I'm gonna just let you, do your own little thing with them type of answers, and hopefully you don't bullshit yourself and you give yourself a nice, truthful answer, and you can look yourself in the mirror and just be truthful about whatever problems you facing or whatever you got going on. And again, man, I'm only asking these questions because this is the shit I do day in and day out to myself. So I feel like I'm validated enough to ask you shit like that. So you need to be asking yourself that. But anyways, let's get straight to the charts. All right, y'all. So as we come to the charts right here, right now, I already see high probability supply, and I say high probability supply because, excuse me, got a break of structure right here, right now. Currently, we got a break of structure to the downside. We got this supply zone right here, and then this was a support level. Look, if we look and we go back to right here, this is a support level, or actually, yeah, a support level. This is like a nice. This what this black line at is at like a nice level for the markets. Like, see what it's been doing. It's been like using this as resistance, coming back, using it as support, coming back, boom, boom. It's like everything's been reacting right here, but we finna take this out though, cause it's not as strong for real. I don't feel like, so there's no reason for that to be there. All right, so we did just get a break of structure to the downside. So I'm gonna just add this right here, add an alert real quick. Let me see how it's looking on this 5 minute. Let me take this shit off. I'll leave that right there for some reason. So that's how the 5 is looking. I want to zoom out. So we just got a minor break of structure to the downside. We got liquidity under here. Got some liquidity right there. Let me mark it off for those of you who can't see it or don't know where it's at. Don't know what I'm talking about. Got some more liquidity right here too under here, but I'm gonna just go with this level for right now. So boom. So we got a breaking structure right here to the downside, and we got liquidity right here. So being a seasoned trader that I am, and being well, how long I've been trading now? I've been trading for like a year and a few months, maybe like a year and 2 months right now. Can't I'm not really finna do the timetable, but it's a year and some months. And being in the markets for a year plus now, my bet would be that we come back and price action comes back to touch this zone and drops all the way back down to liquidity, which is right here. That will be my bet for the day. That's like from the shit that I'm seeing so far, this 5 minute, that's what I would like to happen, or that's what look like it may happen. And then we bouncing right off this 200 EMA, going right away from the 200 EMA. So very intriguing. But firstly, let's check the higher time frames. Let's check the higher time frames now. Let's see if we got some higher time frame confluences. Is this a look? Could this be a liquidity grab? Nah, I don't think so. Not yet, at least. Not yet, at least. I ain't no wicks, no exhaustion areas. Let me go back to the 5. So let's go to the 15 again. Why the fuck my shit sticky? Okay. So we go to the 15. Yeah, I like this 5 minute zone for sure because on the 15 we got this supply zone as well. So that 5 minute zone right there, that this smaller box inside of this bigger box is that's a good zone for supply zone. So that's a good supply zone. Um, maybe I'll put it right here that this is the 15. Yeah, so 15 minute supply right there. Um, so we still on the uptrend still, cause these lows never beat out this. It never got down here. So we still on the uptrend. Although we've been making lower highs, we still are on the uptrend. So that's intriguing, y'all. Let's go to the 1 hour really quick, and let's take up all of this stuff right here. Let's take this all off. What do I see on the 1 hour? What do I see on the 1 hour? So far, I'm seeing bullish. Definitely seeing bullish. Strong level of support on this 1 hour chart. Strong level of support. Let me mark that off actually, because this is definitely like a strong level of support right here. So like every time it got around this area, it ended up wicking out. So yeah, strong area of support on this 1 hour. And then we got the liquidity right here, liquidity right here. Yeah. So it's starting to wick out a little too, so that's very intriguing. Is that all I see? I see a 1 hour supply right there. Trying to see, is that all that I see? Don't want to miss nothing. I don't think I'm missing nothing. So let's go straight to the 4 hour now. delete this. Delete that. We'll put those are news events, so I don't forget what news is. We'll just put that back later. So we've been having a strong level of support on this 4 hour as well. Liquidity right on the hill, so definitely bullish on the 4 hour. It's looking like it may be working out, but it's still 2 hours left on this candle, so we just got to be aware. We just got to be aware. But we are definitely overall bullish, although we do got some bearish momentum coming in right now. So still bullish on the 4 hour as well. Okay, so let's go back to the matter of fact, let's go to the 15 real quick again. See what the 15 is doing. Okay. Check. So let's go back to the 5 now. That's a nice top down that we got. Yeah, very, very nice top down that we got. Hold on. Check the 15 really quick. Okay. I was gonna say. Yeah, I was gonna say. Okay, so let's go back to the 5. So yeah, okay. So let's add our alerts right here. Damn, what the fuck? Add an alert right there for gold. Boom. So make sure this zone is very precise, which it look like it is. Now it is. It's super precise now. So that's a 5 minute supply zone. I'm not gonna lie, this is nice too right here. This is kinda nice. But I'm getting in things that got confluences with each other, so this is kinda nice right here though. Then we had news for 8:15 and 9. When I checked, so 8:15 and 9. And then we got the open too at 8:30. Just right there. But yeah, this supply level looks okay. Let me check it on the 15 actually. Yeah, it's the middle of no man's land. We in the middle of no man's land right here. But that doesn't mean this 5 minute setup can't win. So that do look good though. Like that blast out. It's coming back into that zone. Like one, two candles coming out. Broke structure. Look kind of good, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. This is like the zone I'm really looking for though. Definitely looking for this zone. So if this zone ends up not holding, I won't trip. And you gotta close in. I really won't be taking this for real. I don't feel like even if it do give us a break of the candle, I'm gonna just wait for this zone to see if this zone get touched again. Cause we just playing a patient game. That's all now. We just really playing a patient game. What can we do? Damn, this would be a 10 tick stop loss. That'd be nice. Fuck. TP would be like that. Excuse me. I want to make some tea though. Oh yeah, look. I'm finna delete this zone. Nope. That momentum is crazy. And this actually could have been a slight liquidity grab. I want to go to the 15 real quick. Yeah, this is a liquidity grab, y'all. Like a quick one though. It's not as many wicks right here, but nice liquidity grab if you ask me. That's a liquidity grab right there. Look at that. Yeah. So I want to see if price is going to get back up here and start reacting to this zone again. Yeah, this look okay though. Swiping out this liquidity right here and then going up. Yeah. Price action always tends to do something like that. Let me check news again, y'all. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. So 8:15. Nah. Okay. Definitely didn't. So yeah. Y'all hit the birdies. Don't really like my homie no. That's gang them right there. But y'all don't know that though. Y'all didn't know that. Yeah, it look like it's waking out a little from his zone. Just to get this, I took some risk. Got me wondering what if I didn't do that shit, probably wouldn't be on shit. It just be what it is. For a fact, I'm handling biz. Make sure to take care of my kid. Make it here, they be set for life. Just to get this, I took some risks. Got me wondering what if I didn't do that shit, probably wouldn't be on shit. It just be what it is. For a fact, I'm handling biz. We assimilate trade this trade right here. I like the low ticks though. Like, I don't think this zone is definitely. I don't think this zone is gonna hold. Like I said, yeah, them is strong closes too. Don't believe this zone is gonna hold. It can though, but I don't think it will. Cause look at the 15. Look at the area we in the 15. And it's a fresh 15. Yeah, this zone may not hold at all. But look, it's like I don't like that. Not to be getting into no trade right there. Do look. Nah, it don't look as good on the 5 minute anymore. So let's just delete this again. A demand setup that presented itself, but the real question is it worthy enough to take? We don't have no break of structure to the upside. Do we? Nope, not really. I mean, we have been coming. I don't know. Yeah, we've been coming up a little. Still no breaks for real. No breaks of structure. Uh, yeah, I believe they still want to go down some more. So let's just see if this zone ends up holding. Actually, let's see. Let's see what happens, cause it could definitely be about 21 ticks with risk. Hmm. Very intriguing though. I would, just to say the least. So let's just see if this zone end up holding, and if it does, may possibly get in because I do believe that price action would like to get back up in this area, if not above it. So let's just see, y'all. Let's see. But I like sales for today. That's what I like for today is sales. But you can win. You can win buys. You can win sales. You can like get into counter trend moves. They can hit. You can go with the wave or go with the trend it can hit. So it's how you look at the market, you know. So let's just see if this starts wicking out of this zone though. I would feel like that's, you know, some nice confirmation. Although we don't have any breaks of structure, and we will be going toward the EMA. But my thing, if I am to take this demand setup, is just that I'm banking on it at least getting back to this shit. My toe. There we go. Yeah. So my thing is, if I am to take this demand setup, I'm just banking on it to at least get back to this 15-minute demand. I mean, a 15-minute supply that's right here. If not this 5 minute, but y'all see what's going on. I don't even feel like this will. Nah, I don't feel like this zone is gonna hold it all. So maybe it's gonna come test this support level again and then bounce off. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, this demand zone doesn't look like it's gonna hold it all actually. Mm, 15, 15 like that. Go back to the 5. I'm gonna take this off. Take that off. So let's just see if the zone hold. I do see another supply zone right here. Let me low key go to the 15 again though, and let me mark it off on the 15 first. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this zone though. I don't think it's gonna hold, and even if it did, I didn't like it. So got a 5 minute supply with 15-minute confluence. I didn't even have to really move this zone for real. That's how powerful this zone may be. So we just add an alert right here as well. Make sure this is very precise though. Okay, so we got to touch on this support level. Let's see what happens from there, from here. And I want to look at the 15 right now. Why this is going on. So yeah, touching this support, immediately wicking out from it. That's intriguing. This is a 1 hour support level, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. This level is kind of strong, just kind of. But I do think it want to go a little lower because we do got liquidity under here too. So very, 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 very intriguing, y'all. Not gonna cap. Let's go back to the 5. So I'm liking both these zones though. Liking both these 5 minute supply zones. I'm very much feeling these. I'm not gonna lie to you. Um, I want to see what type of close we gonna get. Is we gonna get a strong close, or is it gonna start wicking out? We gotta break a structure to the downside, so that's looking nice. Um, Going away from the 200 EMA, so that's looking nice. That's two confluences right there for sales. So let's just see what happens now. Gotta see what's gonna happen. Could this be a liquidity grab? Check the 15 real quick. This is fresh though. I feel like that'd be risky getting the two. So yeah, it looks okay though, but I'm not hopping into no. Nope. I like these supply zones, so let's just see what happens. That's looking like a decent liquidity grab. If that's a real liquidity grab right there, that's looking decent, man. I like them wicks. I'm not gonna cap to you. Definitely like them wicks. But this will be a break of the candle on the 15, so 25 to go for 25. I'm not risking it though. They definitely grab some liquidity though. Just some. Let me see. I would like to target this liquidity down here. So yeah, I would like to get into sales and then see if I could target this liquidity down here. That would be mine. That's what I do on my personal account. So treat everything the same way on her. Treat everything the same way. Take this 15 one more time. Yeah, I feel like it's setting up a liquidity grab. Did get a touch though, so I feel like it's setting up. Boom. The 1 hour look like. And we do got some gaps under this liquidity. No telling what had happened though. We did already have some drops. I'm liking what I'm seeing though from price action. Low key is it's like I don't know. I just like what I'm seeing right now. So I'm gonna just take this off, right, and then let's just see what else happens now. I am liking what I'm seeing from price action though. This tea is very good. I just put well, damn, this cup hot as hell. Hot as fuck actually. I got some nice TT. Got some nice tea though. Love the tea. This cup is super hot. Nice tea though. Matter of fact, let me keep that away from my computer. I'm tripping. It's the money maker. I'm tripping. Got some nice tea. It's some elderberry tea with some key lime, some honey, and some lime. Yeah, damn, I said that already. So some key lime, some honey, and some maple syrup, 100%. So that shit tastes. That's probably like the best tea I ever had in my life. Actually, like I've had some good teas before though. I've made some decent ones, but it tastes real good though. I'm not gonna cap. So, hmm, did we miss out on the move? Well, I'm not even gonna ask a question like that because I don't believe we did. We do got news at 8:15. That's the first news event. 8:15. Anything can very much still happen in this market. I kind of would have liked to already got into sales already though. If I'm being totally honest, like I mean, like on some like it touched the zones and then we get in the right way, break the candle, or maybe even an aggressive entry sometimes. Who knows? But just everything is looking like real nice with the setup, and then we just get in type shit. But anything and everything will happen today. It's the market gang. Like this shit, do what it want. We do not move the market, not retail traders at least. Shit, maybe the big banks, the people with the big money can move the market, but not us, not us. So I'm gonna go to this 1 hour one more time, man. Okay, so yeah, this is a 1 hour support zone. I want to see what it's gonna do here. That's one, two, three touches, four touches right here on this 1 hour support, and then we also have a 4 hour support as well. So it's a lot of things we got right now. And the 4 hour support, damn, my shit look messy right now. Gotta delete those. I'll put them back up. I want to see what time is it? 7:40. It's 7:40 right now, so that means an hour 20. So what that mean at 8? Nah, that'd be at 10, right? Nah, that'd be around like 8 or 9 actually. I want to see where this 4 hour ends up closing at. Um, so we did just get a touch on the 4 hour on the zone too. So maybe buying a dip would be smart. We have been coming down. There is a gap under here, so I don't know. All I do know is we're gonna be patient and we getting into the best setup. So that's that. That's that. I may get into this though, maybe, right? Should I? How that 15 look? Hmm. This will be the 15. The 5 look like. I feel like the market hasn't shown its hand for real though. So I'm not gonna get into this trade though, but this is like a slight liquidity grab. Took that liquidity out. So it'll be like a slight liquidity grab. Be very patient though, Titus. We don't have to rush anything. Okay. We don't have to rush not a thing actually. Is it very good? It's like everything is blended real well with that tea right there. Everything is blended to perfection. Oh yeah. So news at 8:15, 8:30, the data 30, 8:30, and then I think it was 9, right? It was 9. So those was all the news events. It's kinda look good though, y'all. From what I'm seeing on this 15, it's kinda look okay to get into buys. Just want to make sure I'm getting into the best shit though, you know? That bitch closing 15. I like these wicks though. One, two, three, four, five. 5 wicks at this zone. Or 5 touches at this support level. And we just took out liquidity. I got decisions to make. I really have decisions to make, I see. We even got a touch on this 4 hours, rejected now. But it's like, this is the main thing though. It's an hour left on this 4 hour candle. That shit could easily be faking us out. But we are bullish. We are still bullish though on this 4 hour. I may have to take this, y'all. And I may have to take it with confidence. Because everything's lining up. I think I would like to take it off the 15 though. But I may have to take this with confidence, gang. And live with the results. So we overall bullish on the 4 hour. How is the 1 hour? Is the 1 hour overall bullish as well? We are bullish on the 1 hour too. We haven't broke any of these lows. And it's been on this support level for quite some time. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches on this. Or should I just do the wicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still like 6 though. Them wicks. Decisions. Not gonna lie, these this is a big decision right now that I have to make. Hmm, very intriguing. I'm gonna still be patient though. I'm not rushing to get into anything. Like I don't even care if I gotta let a trade pass me up. I'm not be getting into the best setup possible, you know, because them supply zones still look good to me, but at the same time, buys is looking okay, just okay. Only reason I like buys, although we don't have no breaks of structure to the upside, is because of all the touches on the higher time frames. All those touches on them on that support level, on this support level. Remember, this is a 1 hour support level. And I feel like the 4 hour is going along with the 1 hour as well. But this is just a 1 hour support level. We got 1, 2, 3 right here off the 5 minute. Maybe if it touches again and starts rejecting, maybe. I don't know though. They already got 2 touches on this one. Because these touches is saying that price action really don't want to go back down here. So if we was to get into this supply zone or the supply setup, would price action even want to get back down here? Because that's why I would go for like a 3-to-1 for real, for real. If we being honest, that looked good though. Let me go back to this 5. Should I get in? I'm finna get in. Let me get in one position. Um, get in another position. I like what I'm seeing, y'all. I can't cap. I just gotta go with my gut. Gotta go with my technical and take what the market is giving me right now. So we risking 25 ticks. 25 ticks will be right there. Oh my goodness. I hate when it does that. I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, I gotta go with what the market is showing me though. Mm, I'm looking for a break of the candle entry off this 15 on cap. Let me see what type of close we can get on this 5. I would love a close above this bearish candle right there. Would love a close above that. So let's see. Okay, so we got a break of the candle right here. I'm gonna do the smart thing, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to right here. I feel like that's the smart thing to do right now because y'all, I'm finna go break even on this because I feel like that's a very smart thing to do too, is to go break even on this. Okay. And now we just holding for our 1-to-1. Gotta hold for our 1-to-1. Gotta be very disciplined. We had a break even trade, so this is smart money right now. This is a smart money concept or smart thing that we're doing, getting into a break even trade. But let's see if it's gonna hit our 1-to-1 though. Uh, this shit do be nerve wracking a little, bro. Like knowing, just trying to do everything disciplined because if it is to hit the 1-to-1 and then be out of the trade, what I'm trying to say, if it is to hit the 1-to-1, say like I got out of this trade right here, it was up like 200, and then it went to hit my 1-to-1, and then it went to go hit my 3-to-1. You know, I feel salty as hell because I'm not. That mean I wasn't disciplined. Of course, I made some money. I made $200, but that's not what this is about. We trying to build up some good capital so we can put into our personal account, and we doing that off this 50K XFA. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I gotta do things the disciplined way. I gotta trade how I would trade on my personal account. So I gotta hold to my 1-to-1. You know, although I'm in a break even trade now, now it's like now I just gotta trust the process now. Worst case scenario in this trade that we're in, it comes back to hit us, get us out at break even. That's the worst case scenario right now. So feel like we in a good one though. Let me check this 15. Feel like we could be in a good one though. I know we are at a 15-minute supply right now, so that's very intriguing. But let's go back to the 5. Yeah, so let's just see if it hits first TP at least. If this ends up hitting TP, you have to like the video, comment, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, because why not? So yeah, hopefully this could hit TP though, because I would love a win. Definitely would love a win. Who doesn't like a win? Who you know? I would like a win. I was gonna say that's crazy. Come on, y'all, hit TP, get us out, get one contract out. Come on, you right there. Come on, you're right there. Come on. I don't feel like this supply zone want to hold for real. That's just me though. And we do got news in 15 minutes, so hopefully we can get this win real quick before news even does anything. I am up 350, so I can close with a $350 win a day, but I gotta be disciplined. I gotta stick to my rules and let my TP get hit. That's just how I trade, y'all. I have to, cause if I don't do that, then I'm gonna start unraveling, and just start doing anything. I have to be disciplined in that way. So yes, thank you, Most High. So first TP is hit. Let's print that screenshot. First TP is hit. Now moving my stop loss right there, and we hold for 3-1 now, y'all. So this is what I got going on, man. I'm honestly finna lead the charts. I'm finna let the charts do what it do. I'm finna leave. I'm finna go work out, man. I'm finna go get a workout in, cause why not? I'm not even finna look at none of this, cause I did that yesterday. So I'm finna just let this run. I'm finna let this run. I'm finna go do other things. And let me say this too. Let your trades run, bro. If you trade like this and you got runners, just walk away from the charts. Set your trade at break even for whatever position, whether you trade the Forex or futures. Just set your trade at more so like a break even level and let it run. Just walk away from the charts because you're gonna be emotional looking at the money that you can make or will make. And look, so since this zone is invalid, I'm finna just delete this zone and I'm walking away now, y'all. After this, I'm walking away. Damn, that's a 5-1. Oh, hold on. Okay, I think this was the stop loss, right? Yeah, this was the stop loss at first. So I'm finna just let this run, bro. We do got liquidity up here, so hopefully it can get up done. I want to check the 15 real quick before I leave. Let me check the 15 real quick before I leave. So if we can get some closes, man, this look good. But I'm finna walk away, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I gotta walk away just so I don't even touch this bitch no more. So far, so good. Titus, good technical analysis into getting into this liquidity grab. You looked at the higher time frames. You've seen that we had a lot of touches. But we'll talk about that later after we come back from our work and after we see what happens in the market. So yeah, y'all. I'm finna go work out, man. So I gotta get off the charts right now. I really want to watch this. I really want to watch and see what happens, but it's just smart. It'd be smarter if I just get off the charts and then just do what I need to do. Go get a little workout in, and then come back and see if the TP was hit or see if that break even was hit. And it feels way better when you come back to the charts after letting your trade run. It feels way better to see like your trade hit TP or the second TP. So yeah, y'all, I'm gone. Okay, y'all. So I was hoping to just record the video and then open it up and see if it hit or not, but obviously I see it hit. But look, so I just came from my workout. It's 10:13 right now, and let's just see what happened for real. I'm gonna just put it in replay mode. You feel me? Boom. So it did end up hitting. So we caught 75 ticks on that. That's cool as fuck. Actually, that's very, 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 very cool. Maybe I should show y'all, and maybe I should go over this trade actually and review it. So the reason I got into this trade, just to keep it simple. Let's go to the 1 hour real quick. So just to keep it simple. So y'all see the TP got hit right there, right? Let's take this off real quick. That was liquidity. But look, Look how many touches we got at this zone. At this is a support right here. This is support level. And support, we all know support is the floor, resistance is the ceiling. So if this is a floor, as you can see right here, because it's steady bouncing off of it. If this is a floor, look how many times we got touches, bro. I'm gonna point them out. That's one touch right there. That's two touches right there. This is really a second touch right here. So look, I'm gonna put that right there too. That's 2 wicks. That's 3 wicks. It's fourth wick. This is a fourth wick. And I remember this was wasn't this NFP or CPI? Well, I think this was NFP too. So this was nasty when they started doing that. It tanked all the way down and went up. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 wicks so far. All right. That's 6 wicks. No, that's 5. I'm tweaking. I can't count. Well, I can't count, but I'm tripping. So 1, 2, 3. That's 6 wicks right there. 4, 5, 6. That's 6 wicks. They go a seventh and an eighth. Is this the 5? No, this is the 1 hour. Again, this is the 1 hour, y'all. So this is why this is so powerful. So that's a seventh wick right there. There's an eighth wick right here. And then here's a ninth wick. This ended up being the candlestick that I got in at. It was scaled down to the 5 minute. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 wicks, gang. I would have been stupid not to get into this because obviously, hold on, let me just delete all this real quick. So it would have been foolish of me not to get into this. Why? Because this is exhaustion areas. Like, what I mean when I say that exhaustion is that when these wicks are going down, so like that's basically price action going down. So on this kind of right here, price action would have went down and then started coming up. So all that mean is it doesn't respect these areas. Like it doesn't respect it enough to stay right here and close right here. And then also, if we move this up like this, notice how we didn't get no closes below this support level. And this is just a 1 hour. We didn't get no closes below the support level. So that's even more confluence. And we didn't have no bricks of structure to the upside, but we did look at the 4 hour as well before getting into this. And if we look at the 4 hour is basically doing the same thing. We know the higher time frames are keen. So I just had 9 wicks on the that was 9 wicks on the 1 hour, right? We got 1, 2. Did that touch? I don't even think that touched. We ain't Nope, it didn't touch. So let's just count this one. Let's go up. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had 9 wicks on the 1 hour chart, and then we got 7 wicks on the 4 hour chart. So I seen all that, and not to mention, let's go on the 5 real quick. Hold on, I'm gonna put it back in replay mode. So not to mention too, y'all, this move right here. Can I circle this maybe? I think I can circle this. Let me see if I can circle this for y'all. Here we go. It says circle right here. Bet that's good enough. So look, let me circle this area for y'all really quick. So this whole little move right here, all of this took out liquidity. Remember, well, it was really like all of this right here. All of this took out liquidity because this was liquidity before. But when we came to the market, we did get a break of structure. So this was a break of structure right here at this point. It broke this low, broke this swing low. Zoom out so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So these two candles right here broke this swing low. But this was also still liquidity right here before any of this got there. This was also still liquidity. And when we got these movements right here, these next few candles with these wicks and shit right here, that ended up taking this liquidity out. So that became no longer liquidity. And what do we have? Now we got liquidity under here. So we got liquidity under here. And this got taken out. So I'm like, this may be a liquidity grab. And that's exactly what it ended up being. I want to see what else happened after this. Damn, what was this? Was this like news or something? Yeah, I think we had news at 9, right? Yeah, we had news at 9. Damn, that's crazy. So hopefully that just helped somebody, or that helped, hopefully that could have helped you or whatever. But oh shit, let me see what I end with today. Let me see how much we made today. So today we made 893. Is that true? Is that what we made today? No, we made $940 today. So total of 943. But oh yeah, this is the net liquidity, 893 right now. So we made 940 today, and that's good, man. That's good. Can I see something else actually? Thank you, Most High. I really appreciate this. I'm very appreciative. Okay, so yeah, we made 940 today though, y'all. That's with two contracts. And what can I say? What can I say? So today was a great day. Today was a very good day on the trading. If I had to grade myself, give myself an A plus actually. I feel like this is like I did excellent today actually. Like especially when I look back at this video, cause after I'm done editing this, I'm gonna just watching myself and see is there anything I could have improved on, or or was this just a totally great day, which I believe it was. Um, my technical analysis was on point. I was looking for sales at first, but then I seen what the higher time frames was doing. So I was like, I got out of the seller's mindset. That's why it's not really good to have a bias when you come into the market, because your bias could be wrong. So just go off what the market is doing and react to the market. So hmm, yeah, y'all, that's really all I got for this video, bro. Hopefully this video isn't too long. I feel like I'm making it longer now, doing this extra little part of it. But we made $940 today, so that's good. Pat on the back. Give myself a big hug. So good job today, Titus. Made $940 today. Hopefully, I was able to add some value to somebody who needs some help. If you're a new beginner trader, hopefully I was able to do that. And yeah. So tomorrow is Wednesday. We don't trade on Wednesday. So Thursday we will be coming to the market, and we will be looking to get into a nice winning setup, high probability setup. Cause this is just only the beginning, y'all. Like this is just the start of everything. Like we still on a mission, man. That you feel me? Like we just don't stop right here, man. Just because we got into a good trade, now we gotta forget this. We gotta have short term memory loss. We gotta forget this. This basically didn't happen. So Thursday we gotta come into the market. We gotta do the right things. Do the same thing we did today. Very disciplined, very patient, and just react to what the market is doing and not have a bias. That's all I got for this video. So with all that being said, I'm gonna just end that right here. And just in case nobody told you today, uh, woman or male, woman or man, I love you. Why? Because you're a reflection of me. So I understand that you're a reflection of me. And I love myself to the utmost fullest. So I gotta love you too, because we are reflections of each other. So yeah, y'all. I don't know what I'm finna do for the rest of the day, but I'm cooling, man. I'm finna probably just educate myself, do some more studying. I don't know, maybe back test or something. But that's all I got for this video though, y'all. For real, for real. But yeah, y'all, it's your boy Highest So Trades. Thank y'all for watching. I definitely appreciate the love that y'all are sending out and showing the channel. Um, Damn, y'all really watching me grow though, for real, for real. And just don't be on the sidelines, man. I ask that you apply some of this stuff that I'm putting down. This is like free game, for real, for real. This is I try to keep it as simple as I can, you know, but you do got to know a little bit of the terminology and a little bit of what's going on to even know or replicate what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely end this video right here though. So it's your boy Highest Trades, and I'm out.